What up world, it's your boy Zilla and I'm back with another video. So today I'm about to head to my favorite place. Now I'll give you guys 5 seconds to guess what's my favorite place to go. Okay, go. 1, 2, no, that's not it. 3, okay, you almost got it. 4, that's right. I'm heading to my favorite place, the beach. So I'm about to head to Redondo Beach here in LA. About to meet up with my boy Drizzy Drake. We're about to ride these bikes, hang out, catch up. So come along for the ride and I hope you enjoy the journey. Let's get it. So I just made it to the beach. Waiting for Drizzy to show up. He should be here within 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm about to go meet him at the bike rental spot. And then we'll go from there. So we just got our bikes, just stopped for a quick restroom break. We actually made it to Manhattan Beach. I should have vlogged, but I didn't. So now we're by Manhattan Beach Pier, and now we're about to ride to Hermosa Beach. Talk to the people, Drizzy Drake. What it do? We got Drizzy Drake in the back. We're kind of late. We gotta go return these bikes. And we're about 30 minutes late, so they're gonna charge us extra money. All because of Drizzy in the back.
Not true.
It's true. So, we just dropped off the bikes. Now we're about to head to the Redondo Beach Pier. Haven't been there in forever, so we're gonna head to the pier. See what that's like. Drizzy trying to get some seafood. Hey, what you gonna need, Drizzy?
Probably, take down a lobster, you know what I'm saying? Maybe 3.
Maybe. We're about to head to the Fun Factory. Haven't been here, but let's see what kind of games we can play. The Fun Factory. Doo -doo 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 -doo. Hey, we walking with Zilla. Doo -doo 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 -doo. Walking with Zilla. What up, y'all? So we just left the Redondo Beach Pier. Had a good time. I know I didn't record that much, but I'll make sure I record more next time. I was kind of just taking it and everything. So now I'm about to head to the mall. What up, y'all? So I'm just now leaving the mall. Just got the movie theaters. Drizzy left already. So I'm about to head to my car, go grab something to eat. So I had to come get some Krispy Kreme donuts real quick. So now, okay, I'm officially gone now for sure. I'm about to go edit this vlog. So once again, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.